How's it going, everyone? Mike here with September 9th, Merch by Amazon sales update. I have this thing where for years I've been telling people that when somebody says, like asks a direct question, for example, was this hard? And then people respond with yes and no. I always would claim that no, you can't do that. It's either yes or no. Well, if I was to say what was yesterday like, was it a good day? I would say yes and no. And let's look at why. So the total number of sales in the U.S., as you can see here, is 16. So that's incredible. That's a really, really good day, and that's the good part, right? But if we look at what's actually happened, I've sold 5 different products. So if this didn't sell 12 items yesterday, and this was not like a group purchase or anything, this is 12 individual items. This product, I've been tracking it for the last couple of weeks. It's really been taking off, and now it's sitting at bestseller rank around 70,000. I think the lowest it hit was something like 65,000, but it averages basically around 110,000, which is really good. And this is a product that started out selling maybe 1 or 2 a day, then it went up to 5. Random spikes would be like 5, and then yesterday 12. So amazing. Total number of sales, in sales $314.84. Total royalties $75.36, and again royalties of per sale coming up to $5 because of this profit margin. I'm selling this shirt at $19.99. So that is amazing. Again, should I be concerned about 5 products selling? I don't know. Anyways, US sales 16, total sales 21. So this was good because international sales over the last couple of days have actually been really slow for me. So to get 5 in one day and a day where I get 16 in the US, now it's starting to look like a really, really good day. So 21 sales yesterday in total. Now, where does that bring me? It brings me to an average of over 80 is where I am now for a 7-day period. Right now, as you can see here, it's sitting at 74 because of today. Today, I'm recording this first thing in the morning. So, 2 sales. But again, by the end of the day, this will go up, hopefully, by a few sales. So again, it's going to be sitting at between 75, 80, between 85, depending on the day. This month, look at this. This month, U.S. sales, 1,709 for the total royalties of 377. So first 9 days of the month, and which means I'm averaging about 10 sales a day in the U.S. and then let's say 1 more sale a day on average internationally, which brings me to about 11 or 12 sales a day on average. So this month in total, I'm sitting at 104 sales already. So again, 9 days, 104 sales, and things are looking good. And especially when I see these ones, they don't mean much because, like as you can see here, there was a 1 sale, 1 return, so 0 royalties. But again, euro 50, not much, but it does add up, right? So it's just more of like a psychological, like a motivational thing to see these ones because now I've made a sale in every single marketplace, at least 1, and the U.S. is looking really good. So overall, I actually feel really good about the month. I guess in the last maybe 2 weeks I've been talking about these spikes. These used to be rare spikes, going over 10 and hitting numbers like 14 and 11 and 16. But now, as you can see here, every other day has been cracking that 10 sales a day, and then of course going to 14, 16, and then the overall, like I said, 21 sales yesterday. So really amazing. And then the other thing, if we're just going to look at royalties, look at this, $60. Okay, sold 11, $37, $75. These are all royalties. $50. I'm curious actually about this one. What was it that where the royalties are so low? You know what it was? It's the newer products. So this is actually very, very interesting. As you guys know, I've started listing maybe a month ago, or let's say a month and a half, 2 months ago, all my products are much lower prices. So for example, the top seller, this one here, is listed at $19.99, and that's where the profit margins come in like this. But my new products, I'm listing at $15.99, standard t-shirts, and then this makes sense. Look at this day, 11 sales, mostly newer products, but half of royalties that I would get with my older products. So this is very interesting, and I actually just noticed this now because I mean you can tell that it stands out. Like the day with 10 sales and products that I've listed a year ago, I get $50 in royalties, and a day with 11 sales I get 37. So anyways, that's something interesting. So like I said, I feel really good about what's happening. If this continues the way it has been going since the beginning of the month, overall I'm going to be hitting 300 sales and more, which is good. And then I really don't know what's going to happen with the US market, because right now it is pretty unpredictable. I hope these are not just kind of like again one-offs. They don't look like it, but who knows, like what's with this day. And again, like I said at the beginning, I did sell 5 individual products, so that's actually very bad, but the number of sales here helps out a lot. So anyways, that's where I am. 21 sales in total yesterday, about $80 in royalties when you do the conversion and add the other products, maybe a little more. But the US, 16 sales, $75 in royalties, and over $300 in sales in total. So feeling really good. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.